Checking in, this is Dutch Trending, another episode on Currently Trending Live. And you don't know Brooke Valentine in the building.
As always.
Welcome, Brooke.
I'm good. How are
You
you?
know, sound vibrant.
How are you?
You know, sound happy. We have a surprise, right, Brooke?
Yes.
We have a real life magician in the building.
So I'm saying.
You see, we are going to find out if a real magician in a real life, you see me, focus the magician in the building. So watch a step here, watch a prayer, just something to excite the people before we get into the show today. So watch a style now. Code.
Look, people. Two of them. Alright, ready? No, what? Put it right here, so take it back and Alright, it looks like a kid's name. Two ball, right?
Okay.
One on the left. A left is alright.
Right.
See if I get trick already. Pay attention now. So one in at the right, one in at the left.
Yes.
Alright? Squeeze them. Take them squeeze in the ball. So choose one. Right. Open it. You choose the right one, right? So what? See? Squeeze real tight. Tight, tight, tight. Alright. So whatever you do, do not open it, alright? Take a look at this one. So I'm going to do like this. Watch. Don't open your hand. When I feel something, let me know. Feel nothing?
No.
No changes?
No. No.
Watch this. See? Gone the people. Oh, check out that.
No, sir. I'm afraid. There's something to it.
Alright.
Oh, God.
Watch this. That's how money go on fire here. Always up my life. People focus the magician. Big up on yourself. Tune in to the Big Bad channel.
Yes. Wait. I'm
She's
confused.
such a confused. Very confused one.
Because I don't believe in magic. But me see it in front of me.
And it work, right?
And it worked.
Alright, check it in, bad people. You just said it. Focus the magician himself. Alongside Brooke Valentine as a volunteer. If you were tricked, let me know.
Me don't know
If
what
you
I'm-
weren't tricked and you think you can figure it out, leave a comment in the comment section. Let's jump in at the topic them now, because Brooke is ready with the sauce.
Yes.
Ready with the sauce. Kick it off.
Topics: Jaii, Armani, Walk and Talk, and Valiant.
Jaii, Walk and Talk, Armani. Jaii, Walk and Talk, Armani, Valiant. Okay. So, we see the video. Everybody see the video with Walk and Talk and Jaii look like they kick off.
Yeah.
We don't know if this is scripted. We don't know what go on. But we see the pre. Whether it's scripted or not, it don't look good. It look weird. It looks strange. Some people believe, some people don't believe. What make you answer this? In every circumstances, Walk and Talk does look. It look like a punk. Hopefully it's kit, and him not look like a punk.
No, sir. That's ain't no way that's a skit. That's not a skit.
And if anything, people are writing in the comment section and say, "Yo, Jaii really don't rate Walk and Talk. Like him not rate it."
But Walk and Talk make Jaii a body him up. Jaii don't even look. Listen. I like Jaii, but somebody who don't look like a bad man can't bad me up. I'm sorry. You can't bad me up. Jaii don't look like a bad man. Jaii don't even come off like a bad man. So if you make Jaii punk you like that, that's crazy. And that's supposed to be your friend? With friends like these, who need enemies?
With friends like this, who need enemies?
I ain't like it. Man, I like how him deal with him.
Big up to Popcorn for that song there. All me can say is this. One of the number one reasons for the disrespect, and we need to highlight it. Does Armani have one of the number one hit songs as a girl song in the island? I say yes,
Yeah.
he does. And it's creating traction. It's opening doors for him to have a lot of bookings. Whether Walk and Talk agree with that, that's his opinion.
Exactly.
He does have one of the number one hit songs right now. Whether Walk and Talk in him feelings and he want to share film opinion, I'm entitled to him one
Exactly.
opinion. As a Mr. Nobody not supposed to tell him, say, yo,
You can't say
issue an apology. Guess what? No, that's not necessary because guess what? You see, if him do something now and at this Armani outside of just recommending that the song is not good, then that different. If a man want this and I say, yo, them man if you go them mother or something disrespectful, that different. But if him say, yo, it's not the number one song, they allow that. That's soft.
They feel like another
Armani, if you just
song.
use that as motivation and get another
Exactly.
hit song.
There you go. There you go.
You see, he pray. And that's how we pray on Currently Trending Live. You see me? Next topic, Brooke.
Spice third album coming out soon.
Alright. Spice has been someone that hasn't been putting out a lot of material. I'm saying that she probably busy with love and hip hop. Some might say she probably busy with family. Some might say she moved to to United States, so she kind of, you know what I mean, I deal with other things. She did a deal with her health issues at one point.
Uh-huh.
I feel like let's see what she has in store. Let's see what the dancer queen has in store for us. Let's give her the best, wish her the best in putting out good music. Because one of the thing is the good music drive the culture. There's a lot of disappointment when it comes to Spice for me, specifically, like, you know, certain things we should do. But then again, we're all humans beings, none of we are perfect. You see, pre. So make me more excited about our music than our personal life, and that's why me willing to see what she have in store. So Spice, it way with some good music.
Please.
We'll wait. Code.
Me not wait still, you know, but you know, I'm curious to see what.
Go on. Yes, me just give us something new, something fresh,
Please.
and something where we can relate to and have fun. The summer there, people them are wait for good
Yes,
music.
not true,
TJ
man.
did drop GIF last year, mash it up. Valiant dropped multiple hit song, mash it up last year. So with a like, this is some new people on the scene what we not seen in a
Some
while.
fresh, yeah.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So Spice, we are wait.
Alrighty, some announcements. Shenseea's new album debuts on reggae chart with lower than expected first week sales. Aw.
Lower sales than expected. This is life. Sometimes it can be anticipating what might happen when you drop a song, an album, a single. One of the things that you have to make sure that you have as an artist, in my opinion, is a strong fan base that spends their money. You cannot just have a fan base that boots you up on Instagram, and you cannot look at your followers on Instagram as fans.
That's true.
Followers are not fans. They're just looking to see what you're doing next because you look pretty, because you dress good, because you do some good songs. They cheer for you, they're in the background for you, they defend you. I'm not saying they're worth less. I'm just saying they're not worth much.
Yeah.
You see me? When it comes to album sales, they're not buying.
Me never buy no album.
See it? He's
But
a
no,
Shenseea
let me
fan.
and I'm a but only because I don't buy albums.
You see me?
It's always one and two songs me like on an album. So I don't make no sense to buy the whole album.
Let's talk about a bigger topic, bro. As a Shenseea fan, maybe they need to market album sales in a different way. I don't think Instagram is a great marketing platform to buy album. They make it so, I mean, people like quick and fast. I mean, I say them not have the link in a them buyer. Sometimes you can just click the link and it lead you to for buy the album. But what I realize is, I'm not gonna say Jamaicans should stop making albums, but people like singles, yo.
Me like singles. Me
We
not
are a singles based country.
Me not buy album.
We love singles. So what I'm trying to say, in other words, sell singles for less money than you would charge for an album, and maybe make all of your singles them add up to what album would have cost.
There you go.
So that means that if me not buy the full album, I might buy 6 track out of the album. But guess what? Me not buy the full album. I like them 5 there.
Exactly. That's me.
That's just an idea. I'm not telling you no for change the game.
It's a
But at the
great
end of the
idea.
year, that's a good idea. Code. Next.
Masicka preview new song 20matic.
First of all, Masicka has been the person right now, the head runner for dancehall. If it's not Masicka, it's Popcorn. If it's not Popcorn, it's Vibes Cartel. If it's none of those, I'm going to talk about the artists them like within a game for more than a decade. And if it's not none of them, they don't know, so people can drop Alkaline in another lineup there. We're not talking about the young guns like Valiant and Raja Wild. Them not in another lineup there. Masicka is one of the head runner them for dancehall. Probably people that say him a lead right now.
I think he's leading right
Zin,
now. Yeah.
him creative, Shenseea and him collab. Them everything what Masicka do does just a hit, just a hit, just a hit, just a
Like
hit,
gold.
just a hit. Him album them for the last 2 years, a hit. You see me? And not because we not mention Vibes Cartel, them man they stop make it song a headline them man they make now. So there's no watch no face.
Yeah.
Vibes Cartel are making news headline right now. So him already a make film hit. Code him make too much hit, he not even have to make a hit again. You see me? So big up Masicka. Keep the music coming. We are wait for the song drop. We are cheer for you. And I don't know. Keep representing Jamaica, keep representing dancehall, and
Yes.
keep representing Masicka music. That's a code.
Okay, did you know that Valiant was adopted?
I saw that recently on I think it's The Cut with Wayne Marshall show. Well, I did not know, and no one would ever thought.
That man I said to
You see me? But it shows that even no matter where you come from, youth, you can make it.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? If you believe in yourself, believe in your dreams. We just talk about Popcorn now, but we're going to talk about him in a different light. Not in a bad man light, not in a hateful light. But remember when Popcorn, the video with Popcorn a girl on, where him tell Valiant say, yo, the people them not like you.
Oh.
That you, they look like him use all that as motivation.
Mm-hmm.
Now the dog I say, speed off, Jesus. You can't hold him now, him there front.
I love
You
Valiant.
see me? Valiant create a lot of hit songs, more than you could ever expect in a short space of time.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? Saint Mary. You see me? Barbie. You see me? Man have a girl them weak. Man have the chopper them a chop and stop chop and go and do hobia. You see me? So big up Valiant for that. You see me? One diplomat, big up on yourself. That a code. What's next? Should be like,
Oh my
isn't it?
god.
Yeah, man.
Random thoughts and question. Name one artist that's overhyped.
I would say one artist that's overhyped. I think them. I'm not discrediting Movada,
Okay.
but he's overhyped in terms of certain. I not think him have the fan base that people think him have.
Me no.
Is it me? And that's just my opinion. Next thing is, I'm not saying Movada is not a great artist. No.
He's a great
He's
artist.
a great
but him
artist.
overhyped.
Overhyped. I think Shenseea can get overhyped in some cases.
Me-
Because just like we just talked about, let's be honest, our album sales they're not hitting as much as we would have expected.
Okay.
As we said, things happen, but at the same time, we're overhyped in a way where to be an artist, your sales are for your it, your production are for your it, your promotion are for your it. So anything where fall short, you know, mean say you're worthless. It just mean that even if you work on the ear ready, find ways to market your product where you're getting sales.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? She focus on the US market, so maybe she need to do some US marketing. She's doing all of the features from the Tyler to the Tiger. I don't know what she tried if I rhyme, she rhyme. But guess what? She do it. You see me? So
do her
and we
thing.
look for more work. She work from the Kanye West.
Mm-hmm.
Straight back to even Cartel. Like
that.
Spencer had been doing a lot of work.
She has been.
But just keep doing the work. Sheng Yangs, we believe in now. Uno gonna get it done. Uno already get a lot done right now. Just stay strong. You don't know I go already. I want Shenseea. Big up on yourself.
One.
Remish Entertainment. Shenseea Entertainment. Sheng Yang Fangs. Big up on yourself. Code.
Mhm.
So, Book, me have a question for you. If you could choose an artist other than Shenseea to
Oh,
perform
God.
at your party that's coming up right now, that's a random question.
Okay.
Alright? Other than Shenseea, who would you choose? And this time, choose one.
Okay. If I could choose one person right now to perform, Vibes Cartel.
Bombonat. You know what's so
Vibes
funny
Cartel.
about that? The other day, I watched an interview with Shenseea.
Mm-hmm.
And she said, I am Vibes Cartel. She said, I am Vibes Cartel.
What that mean?
She just said she bad.
Okay.
She just say, yo, my body now, I'm Vibes Cartel.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, it's so funny that you said that. You never get to pick Sheng Yang, but Sheng Yang says she's Vibes Cartel.
Exactly. And see,
So
it's
big up
because
Vibes
great
Cartel.
mind.
You don't know again, that would have been an epic show. You wouldn't have
Definitely.
blood clad space.
Wouldn't have a space for
You
me.
have no
Movie
space in
party
that
for
club
Anson
there.
at
The
the
club
right
there,
thing.
you'd have to pick somewhere else.
Hard for him. I have to bring it.
That is it. Cool.
Hard for him. I have to bring
Bring it
it.
to the stadium. What's next?
Do women choose the wrong partners or are they being catfished by personality? Both, yes.
Both.
Yes. Yeah.
Both, because they don't know you already. Some man pretend forget the girl to do what they want, and then
Mm-hmm.
sometimes them don't know to pick because they weren't trained or they don't have enough knowledge to know when to pick. Sense out of nonsense.
And
So,
sometimes come out of the you know when you want to pick the perfect man, like if you know say every chopper break your heart, why you still want to do with a chopper? Every
oh,
chopper you ever do with break
because
your heart.
women are emotionally driven, they're not logically driven.
Okay.
They go off of how them feel, them not go off of what makes sense. That's why you have two. You can have a girl. She can talk to the friend there and go talk to the friend there because she not say, yo, well, I got talk to two friends. She not think about it like that deep. She just say, yo, I feel a way about nothing. I like it. I like him. I like it.
Oh, okay.
See? Code.
Ladies, y'all need to do better. Not me. Uno.
Jaja.
Spinning the block. Should you?
What is spinning the block?
If you have a debug with an ex.
Um, but I think the only time if you talk back to an ex is if them worth it. If them worth it, meaning it may, and I mean not talk about nothing where breakup will last no more than a year. And that year, decent youth, miscommunication, nothing crazy happened. On the decide to sit down and talk it over because you know putting a pride aside. Yeah, why not? Make it work if you see better improvement in other person, maybe you know then decide say them go do the best thing for not just themselves but for both you know. I think yeah you can spin the block.
That's the only time you should spin the block.
That is it.
A woman shouldn't have to ask for certain things. That's true.
I think that's false.
No.
Tell me why you say
I feel like, listen, I feel like certain things a woman should not have to ask
like
for.
what?
I shouldn't ask you for flowers. I shouldn't ask for that. That's something you should. You know what? Let me surprise my woman with some flowers today.
Remember, may agree with you, but may disagree with one
Why?
thing. Because even though you have to ask for certain things, you have to remember everybody kind of grew and culture different. So you have to kind of teach your partner what you like. That's why I said that.
Okay.
You have to teach your partner say, I like flowers.
But every woman like flowers. I shouldn't teach her that.
Some women are allergic to flowers.
Yeah, ask lad. Yeah, no, man. I'm sorry.
Isn't it? Some women rather would instead of flowers they probably like go eat seafood that
All
warms
right, so
them.
I shouldn't ask for a date night. Let's use that. You can't tell me say you don't want to go on a date, mama.
No, even for date, I think you should. I'm gonna stand on this. I think it doesn't matter what you like. Men don't read minds. Just communicate that, and then if you give him the heads up and he don't follow through, then she shouldn't have to ask twice.
A man should know that.
And every man knows.
So you tell me say no, some man don't know say woman like this.
Let me tell you why. Some man grow them father, them never really have that they never get taught. They never see them father bring flowers to their mother. They never see their mother bring flowers. Them some people that get that in them home training. Like you will go around a guy right now. You like him. You just know say if you go in a house and in bed spread, you know say it's a decent youth him learn. If you sit down on your message, you want to spread it up back. And every woman are gonna do that. But if him say, baby, you know, I like when my bed spread up. And then, him talk to you, you know, I like when my bed you just learn that from him. So I feel like things where you get from your partner is being taught by you.
I don't really agree. No. At 2024, if you scroll by any social media right now, you see man, them a do them woman. You gotta
Well, social media not real. Enough of them people we see in a relationship.
So make it real. Make it real.
Take Safari as an example. When him
Who name so?
Safari when him just married Erica on Love and Hip Hop. Biggest wedding. You seriously them in love. 3
Everybody
months
didn't know say
late.
Safari was a dog shit.
No, I'm
she
not talking
alone.
about a dog shit or not. She know too, because she says she know. The point is she thinks that she could have changed it, but guess what?
Come
it
on.
never worked.
Some woman need for absence, alright? Once a dog shit, always a dog shit. Alright? But I feel like it's now 2024. Men should know certain things. You don't have to know everything. But a date, you should know women like dates. You should know. No, come on. Come on, no. You should know women have dates. Come on.
Me know some girl.
You take your wife on dates?
Yeah,
Is
but
cheating a part of the Jamaican culture?
I think cheating is not necessarily a. I think yes. I think it's a part because it happens naturally, even with people where they plan to cheat. Remember, I think cheating is putting yourself in positions that you never expect something to happen, and it happens.
And it happened.
So if you don't have no barrier, if you say, all right, if I go right there, so I know me attracted to that person. If I go there, so I know me I go fall short. So everybody capable of cheating is when you don't put yourself in a position for cheating to develop, then it don't develop. Like if you know, say, you're weak to that youth over there, so, and you
Why
have
they
your
are
man, you just not gonna go over there.
Exactly.
But if you go over there, you know you're already weak to him, you know, so you can fall short. The same thing with a man. If a man weak to a certain woman and she decides, say, yo, shit, come pick up something over my house, and he might eat that, go over there. And then he go cheat, and then he might tell him, woman, say, you never know that. Bro, you know you already like her to a certain point. But remember, no, one person you're going to like for your entire life. So you have to just have barriers. That's it. If it's a part of our culture,
I hate that.
I think, it's a part of
I
our
feel
culture.
like it is normalized a lot in our culture.
Yeah, definitely.
A lot.
Definitely.
It's very normalized, and I feel like some women are just stuck in it. Like,
And the only thing I'm not
he's
like with
Jamaican,
cheating
so-
is when a man cheat, it's not the same as when a woman cheat. Why am I say that? Some woman not even cheat with a man with value. Then just a cheat. If a man go cheat with a girl, she might not mean nothing to him. Make sure you cheat with a man where if anything happen, you can move on with him.
That's true.
That's
That is
the only
true.
thing me I say. Because if you go sleep with a man well less than the man where you're with, or worse than the man that you're with, you only are gonna look worse.
Yeah.
You see, if the embarrassment come along upon your family and you, at least you say you step into a relationship with probably a man who decides he did want you a long time, him have certain status. That's it.
That's true.
But don't cheat. We're not endorsing
Yeah,
cheating.
we're not endorsing cheating. Me not say. How long after a breakup should you move on?
As soon as you heal.
As one gone, and next one bad. You know what I mean? So
As one guy and the next one bad. That's a code.
no.
Big up Vice Cartel again for that.
On a serious level.
No.
On a serious level, listen, as a wicked girl is as one gone and next one born. But let's be mature for a second. Ladies, give yourself time to heal before you move on.
That's it.
That's
Don't
it.
move on to spite the man. Just
Please.
move on when it's right. Because you gotta have a rebound.
In 2024, how do you deal with heartbreak?
Sinful!
Oh my God. No, people.
Rock back one at a time. Me not care if you're out.
Jesus. Jesus. Let me answer the question because
Sinful!
you are you're a bad influence.
Yo, the old man them deal with breakup in a 2024, man. Then just say, yo, one gone or next one born. Just like you just say.
Exactly. Just out there.
Yeah, outside I do them thing.
Do them thing
And
all
then the girl,
over the place.
you know what I mean? That is it. On to the next.
In 2024, let me tell you what I used to do for a heartbreak. Me do anything and everything. Not sexually. Meaning, me do things like I go painting, go-karts.
You find activities.
Yeah, this podcast. Like,
Code.
find activities, man. Make a candle. Just anything to keep your mind occupied and off it. Because, mama, come on. About 20 times you cry now. Stop it balling.
That is it. Stay woke.
Please. Okay. Is it better to be single?
If nobody running, it make no sense.
Listen, if nobody no around you, no make no sense. Which is true, but let me tell you something.
No, it's not better
Someone
to be
was
single. You need companionship.
Yeah, you need companionship. Now
That
make no
is it.
woman tell us say, oh my God, it's so great to be single. No,
No
the
man,
hell
they
it's not.
miserable no blow.
It's
When they in the house and
They're
and
miserable.
they want little not even sex. They want some attention.
Yes. What's the craziest thing someone has ever DM'd you?
I can make you leave your girl.
No, I must get crazier than that training. Come on, man.
Send me a picture with herself naked and say, "Me sure this can make you leave your girl."
Me writing. You
That
still have a picture? Let
brawling.
me see who.
I want somebody me ever show that. And me can call him name. Me sure red light the girl picture. Come here and say, you know that girl there? And he must say, him don't know her, but him and her friend. Him having her
She the
friend.
dancer?
Me not even know, cause the girl just brawling and she
Woman
not go to.
must know you from somewhere.
No man, I targeted that man. They can't catch me.
Oh, you thought somebody was trying to
I
target
think
you?
that targeted. Like why? I don't know if I targeted, but it's just like weird.
That was
That's the
weird.
craziest thing. You?
I have a lot of crazy things in my DM.
Just pick one. Bumbuckle.
I had one guy told me that he wants to. This was the exact words. I want to lick you from the rooter to the tutor. I said, what? Why your number? Joke. I want a name argument and me feel left my man argument and there's a lot of things in my DM. I'll be quick to tell my man too. Like, let me tell you who DM
Really?
me. Yeah.
Rooter to the tutor.
Rooter to the tutor.
When get money get this?
And he want me slide on him face like a snail. I like that one. That one was nice. I said, wow. I've never heard that before. So now I say it to people. Well, not to people, to my man. Sorry about that.
Hey, listen to me.
Slide on my face like a snail. That's different. Lyrics. like that. I like that. I like that.
Ah, boy.
I had someone sing in my DM before. That was fun.
People. I broke alone at that. Really not about that. But,
There are some nasty
top
people.
out.
And let me say this, they're all Jamaicans. They're all Jamaicans. A majority of my nasty DMs are from Jamaicans. People that I know, people that I
at least
don't
you
know.
hold the secret and not rat them out.
Me nah mash up no happy home. Me nah mash up no happy home. No, that's not. Listen, one thing I do though, if me know you have your woman and me know your woman, yeah, leave me alone. You can say whatever you want to say. I can't stop you from what you want to say, but I'm not interested.
That is it.
I'm not go tell your woman.
Leave in the comment section and now say stig somebody ever send in a DM.
Oh my God.
Isn't me? And we can read it out next week on the podcast. That is it.
We should read it out.
That would be cool. Broke will read it out. That is it.